Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and basic settings. Plug in known good speakers or headphones, check cable seating and the device volume and mute. Next, open Settings System Sound and ensure the correct output device is selected. You must know which device Windows is sending audio to. Once done, open Device Manager, expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, then right-click your audio adapter to update, roll back, or uninstall and reinstall the driver so Windows refreshes the audio stack. Now tackle configuration faults. Run the built-in Playing Audio Troubleshooter to auto-fix common mismatches. Follow prompts and test sound after each change. Then open Services. MSC and confirm Windows Audio and Audio Endpoint Builder are set to automatic and are running. Restart them if necessary. Also open the Sound Control panel, select your device, click Properties, and disable Exclusive Mode so apps cannot monopolize audio. Make sure the default format, sample rate/bit depth, matches your hardware to avoid incompatibility. Finish by isolating profile or startup conflicts. Sign into another user account or boot safe mode to see if sound works, which indicates a user setting or startup app problem. If needed, reset audio settings or perform a system restore to a point when sound worked. Reinstalling the latest chipset drivers can also help. One key troubleshooting tip: if internal audio remains dead, connect a USB or Bluetooth headset or external DAC to determine whether the issue is OS level or a faulty onboard sound card. This narrows your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.